Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can make your video into a black and white video in DaVinci Resolve. So basically changing the colors of the video. So select the clip you want to change the color of, and then you're just going to select this color palette icon right here. Then, as you can see, there is color boost, shadow highlight, I think, saturation hue. And then if you want to make your video black and white, you're going to turn down your saturation until it's 0, like so. For instance, you don't want it too black and white, you can have it to 14. You can also change the shadows, the highlight of the video, like so. If you want to go back to normal, just select 0. And this one, I think you have to go back to 100. Oh wait, that's too much. 50, I think, if you want it to go back to normal. But that's pretty much how you can turn your video black and white in DaVinci Resolve. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!